strikers have gone and passed that 100 mark over here, and I've got Mr. Sangam Banerjee besides me, who wants to make sure that they restrict them to about 130. You'd be happy if you restrict them to about 130, let's say 140 even.
Actually 130, 135, because wicket is very good. It's slow batting wicket, so actually you can restrict them in 135.
Now tell me about this experience, because we all know you're the man who led Bengal to a Ranji Trophy triumph, very serious cricketing, and now you've taken over, how many people would say is a bunch of actors. So do you have to change your thinking?
It's a different ball game, absolutely. I'm really enjoying, because they are not regulars, their fitness level is not like the regular players, I mean the top cricketers. So they are trying so hard, their commitment and their involvements, I'm really impressed with them. And all the teams I'm watching, not only Bengal Tigers, all the team, that's very serious. They have taken this tournament, CCL, very seriously. I like it.
So whose egos are worse, cricketers or actors?
That's a different, absolutely. Cricketers.
That's a very diplomatic answer.
Absolutely, no. That's a different, because cricketers we play, with all caste of people, Muslim, Hindu, Christians, all together we play. Yeah. So we play as a unit, So here, of course they got ego. They got ego. Some top hero, in second stage is hero, like this. But okay, it's okay. No.
It certainly is. Well, it seems very enjoyable. Tell me a little bit about your team, because like you said, all the teams look so committed. Now they've taken it so seriously, knowing it that this weekend is it. I mean, it's do or die. Do you realistically feel that they can make it to the semi-finals?
See, this match is for Bengal and the Kerala, it is knockout match. Yes. It's absolute knockout match. Who will lose, will out of the tournament. So, a do or die match, absolutely. We are trying very hard. We had a wonderful home session, the team meeting yesterday. A lot of planning is going there, and we bowled well. But I might appreciate the opponent batsman, the Pillai, the keeper. Yes, he looks like a decent cricketer. He's a wonderful player. I must appreciate him. He can be a terrific player if he can take it seriously.
Really? Well, that is very, very encouraging. The face of cricket keeps changing within this country. With the CCL now, it's got a whole other aspect of fans and, players to come into cricket. How do you react to the CCL coming from the cricket world?
It's good for the game, very good for the game. It's very encouraging for the, those who are not regular cricketers. They are very busy with the movies and acting. It's a time pass, and it's encouraging for them to go back to their own job, It will be oxygen.
And you, any movie offers?
I've done 2-3 Bengali movies, yes.
So you've got the best of both worlds in terms of experience.
No, it's one of those things. Anyway, but I enjoy acting in movies in Kolkata. So anyway, but I'm much involved in the movies than today's match. Really.
Thank you so much. All the best. Thanks for talking.
Thank you.
All right, back over to you.
It was Sambaram Banerjee, who's been the national selector of Bengal. So many years he served Bengal cricket. Also was the captain of Bengal when they won the title way back in 89-90. He's been the coach of Bengal Tigers, and they've done well. Catch it is the call, but just a couple of bounces to the long on fielder. They're going for the second run, and they'll get it easily. Well, it's good running, Saba. Good cricket all round.
Refreshing to see these two players run between the wickets. He ran the first one very hard. That was Kalabhavan. That put pressure on the fielder there at long on, beg your pardon. Was able to complete the second so easily. So this is what I have noticed. With each game I see a difference, an improvement in all aspects of the game.
Slow, Vishal.
Goes for a big one, and it goes high and handsome over long off. A terrific hit, and 16 overs gone. It's 116 for 4.